you may have access to several newspapers every day. You may be subscribing several magazines and might also be various surfing news blogs frequently. You may find similar news or content in most of the places. However, habitually you prefer to pick up a specific newspaper or browse certain websites only. Why? Maybe something impresses you. Maybe newspaper or magazine's way of presenting an issue and putting the fact with some graphics impresses you. May the content and language of a blog is easy to follow. As far writing is concerned, every newspaper, magazine or blog site has its style sheet. The writing style makes every newspaper different from others, even though they may describe a similar event. Hello participants, today I look forward to having a deliberation on the styles of news writing. The significant points we'll discuss in this module are different styles of news writing, writing style for newspaper, magazine, online news and mobile apps, and tips to improve news writing style. The difference between the right word and the nearly right word is the same as that between lightning and the lightning bug, said Mark Twain. The statements appears to be apt in the discussion on the styles of news writing. The readers of the newspapers come from diverse backgrounds. It is therefore difficult to evolve a particular set of writing style for them. Nevertheless, the newspapers have evolved writing styles which suit the audience. Of course, writing news will differ depending upon its content and the medium for which it is being written. For instance, one cannot have the same styles of writing news for radio and TV, newspapers, magazines and web portals. Hence, the need for developing a proper style of news writing cannot be understated. Let us start with deliberating on different styles of news writing. The first one is an inverted pyramid. The inverted pyramid style of news writing is often used in journalism. In 1845, a portrait painter, Samuel Morse, invented the telegraph, a new way of passing breaking news from one place to another to be reported. The idea is to start with the conclusion and build on how it was arrived at the rest of the story. This news writing style is perhaps the most popular and is in use in most newspapers worldwide. As one can see in the figure below, this style of writing resembles an inverted pyramid. In this kind of structure, the story is organized so that the most important information comes at the top and is followed by less important ones. Such news stories start with a summary giving the gist of the story and often includes what, who, when, why, where and how. What will come first is decided by the writer after going through the information at hand. The most significant advantage of this news story structure is that the reader gets crucial information immediately. Its drawback is that the reader may not want to read the entire story, as he gets the gist in the opening paragraph itself. It has a lead, a body and a tail. The inverted pyramid has been used for well over a century and a good reason. The formula is known for engaging and assisting readers. The first sentences are written to grab readers' attention, much like the headline itself, and draw them into the article. Inverted pyramid style of news writing has certain benefits. Readers can quickly decide if they want to continue to read the full story. The readers can stop reading the story at any point. Even if the readers stop reading the story beyond a certain point, they will still know the main point of the story. It saves time of the readers who are in a hurry. Let's understand the inverted pyramid style with an example. Intro or lead of news like this. 4 persons, including a child, were killed and 2 others injured when the car they were traveling collided head-on with a truck on the outskirts of Pune on Sunday morning. Body of news include mishap occurred when the victims were on the way to attend a social function. Police officials said that the driver of the speeding truck lost control in a bid to save a cyclist. The injured were rushed to the hospital where the condition was one of them was stated to be critical. The driver has been arrested. Another writing style is the narrative writing. Narrative writing is used in almost every longer piece of writing, whether fiction or non-fiction. When an author writes in a narrative style, he is trying to convey the information. However, he also tries to construct and communicate a story with emotions, conflict, and imagery through proper words. Use of figures of speech is quite common in narrative writing as they add to the style and effect of the writing. This style of writing is usually suitable for short stories, novels, poetries, and writing features. The third one is hourglass. It starts with the hard news and then proceed in chronological order for a part of the rest of the story. It ends with a comment or the outcome of the news. This style is particularly useful for writing court or police stories. There is no need for attribution in every sentence in this style of writing. It is also used in recounting some horrific incidents or disasters. The hourglass was named by Roy Peter Clarke, an English literature professor in 1983, after noticing something new in his morning paper. He described this form in an article and gave it a distinctive name, the hourglass. It provided an alternative. Clarke said the hourglass story could be divided into 3 parts: the top, the turn, and the narrative. The first one is top. It includes the news in a summary lead followed by 3 or 4 paragraphs that answer the reader's most pressing questions. In the top, the primary news, enough to satisfy a time-pressed reader, is presented. The second one is turn. In this part, the reader is given hints that a narrative, usually chronological, is beginning. Usually, the turn is a transitional phrase that contains attribution for the narrative that follows. According to police eyewitness, describe the event this way, the shooting unfolded this way, law enforcement sources and neighbors agree. The third one is the narrative. The story has 3 elements: a beginning, middle, and end. The bottom allows the writer to tell a chronological narrative complete with details, dialogue, and background information. To illustrate this, let's have a closer look at this example. It was not the first time 40-year-old Dileep Singh had beaten his wife. Nevertheless, it will undoubtedly be the last. A cop fatally shot Singh on Sunday after the former refused to drop his knife with which he had attacked his wife. In such a style of writing, the story proceeds in a chronological pattern. It starts with the important happening in the story and then describes the same in chronological order. One thing follows the other. In this way, it is different from the inverted pyramid form of news writing. The fourth writing style is the Wall Street Journal formula. In this style of writing, the story starts with a soft lead. It goes from the specific to the general, and it may start with a person, event, or place that illustrate the main point of the story. The lead can be anecdotal, descriptive, or narrative. The next to follow is the nut graph, which contains the main part of the story. The story's body may be organized by different views or developments related to the main point. The fifth writing style is list technique. This technique is useful in stories when there are several essential points to focus upon. It has a highlight box within the story or at the end of the story. This technique is beneficial for government stories and features about people or programs if several key points are listed. USA Today is one of the newspapers which extensively uses this technique. The sixth one is section techniques. This technique is used while writing in-depth stories. It can be used for writing many kind of features and news stories. In this technique, each section is treated like a separate story, having a lead and an end. The section can be compared with chapters in a book.